Here's the question. If you share a Google Sheet with someone else, can they delete the tabs or the additional sheets that are in the Google Sheet? I'm going to show you what you can and what you can't do in this video. Now you can see over here that I've shared this document with two people. Here's the owner, Burris Consulting at Gmail is the owner. I've shared it with Teddy Burris at gmail.com and made him an editor, which gives him full access to this document. And I've also shared it with T.L. Burris at teddyburris.com and only made him a viewer. So let's go see what the viewer can do first. Here's the document as a viewer. You can see it says view only. I can request edit access, but right now I only have view only edit access. So the edit button is pretty much going away. I can copy, but I can't paste. You know, I can't insert, I can't format, I can't add extensions under data, I can't add a slicer, I can't sort the range, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. I can only pretty much see the data. And if I come down here and I click on this little triangle here, I can't delete, I can't duplicate. I can copy to a new spreadsheet or to an existing spreadsheet, but I can't change this one because I'm in view only mode. So let's go see what an editor can do. Here's the editor of the document. Now you can see the editor of the document, I have full-blown edit. I have full insert, I have full format, data tools, extension, I have everything for the most part that the owner has. The one thing I don't have is I don't have the ability to move it to trash. I do have version history. I can go look at version history and I can go back and get some of the version history right here and I can change it and revert back. But I can't get rid of it. I can change any of the data, go over here. I can change this data right here, 4123, and everything changes. I can change this data here, 2222. I can do whatever I want as far as the data is concerned, including, let me make I'll save this, file, version history, name, current version, pre-deletion of sheets. Hit save. Now it's saved. Now look what happens. Now regardless of saving it, now look what I can do. I can delete this. Boom, gone. I can take this right here. I can duplicate it if I want to and make another one. I can take this piece right here, double click on it. I can say IFI date. I can change anything I want because I am an editor, even though I'm not an owner. Now I can also go file, version history, see version history, and I can come back here and I can click right here and I can say restore this. Restore it because I'd saved that. And now I have my new data as I had, my copy of the old data, and my copy of the new data. Bottom line, if you share a document and you make someone an editor, they have the ability to change that document or that sheet in any way they want, including deleting tabs. If you share it and make them a viewer, all they can do is see the data. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.